Hello students and friends, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary, first one, underscore, UNDERSCORE, debilitate, DEBILITATE. Again, one more important word, so very useful word indeed, inadvertent, INADVERTENT, obviate, OBVIATE. So the first one, underscore, emphasize, highlight, to underline, drawing attention, extra importance, to make people notice, to make evident, accentuate, 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 also similar to underscore. Clear ma'am? So those are all synonyms. So enhance, enlarge, strengthen, punctuate. So we put it in punctuation, right? So to highlight, heighten, all these things comes to underscore. Antonyms, understate. So to lessen, understate, weaken, subdue, detach, negative impact, diminish, decrease. All these things are relates to antonyms. Example, our failures underscore the difficulties in reaching our goals. Our failures underscore, highlight the difficulties in reaching our goals. Next one, debilitate, DEBILITATE, weaken, enfeeble, enervate, drain, unstrengthen, exhaust, to make someone or something physically weak. That is what we call it as debilitate. Even we can say attenuate, extenuate also. So all are similar to debilitate only, similar words to debilitate. Coming to antonyms, restore, strengthen, energize, invigorate, aid, reduce pain or discomfort, relieve, make ease. So all these things are related to antonyms. So example, Anbu was debilitated by illness for more than a week. So he was debilitated by illness, he was weakened by illness for more than a week. Clear? Inadvertent, very important one I told, right? Unintentional, unintended, accidental, happening unintentionally, unthinkingly, thoughtlessly, mistakenly, unknowingly. So all these things are due to oversight, negligent, unobservant. All these things come into picture. Antonyms, deliberate, deliberately done. See, it's not deliberate means it is unintentional. That is what inadvertent. So opposite is deliberate, intentional, knowingly done. So intentionally done. That is what we call it as deliberately done. Those are all antonyms. Example, we gave rupees 500 more to our housemaid inadvertently in her salary. It happened unintentionally, inadvertently. Clear? Next one, obviate, obviate. That is nothing but a prevent, avoid, preclude. That also we can say preclude. PRECLUDE, preclude, remove, get rid of, avert, fend off, head off, ward off. So all these things similar to meaning of obviate. Antonyms, involve, require, need, postulate, necessitate, demand, ask, take, validate. All these words are opposite of obviate. Example, the new medical treatment obviates the need for surgery, avoids the need for surgery, prevents the need for surgery. Clear? Can we conclude? The first one, underscore, meaning emphasize, synonyms, highlight, to underline, drawing attention, extra importance, to make people notice, to make evident, accentuate. Antonyms, understate, weaken, subdue, detach, reduce, minimize, prevent something from developing. Example, our failures underscore the difficulties in reaching our goals. Debilitate, weaken. So synonyms, enfeeble, enervate, drain, attenuate, extenuate, exhaust, unstrengthen, to make someone or something physically weak. All are similar meaning to the word debilitate. Antonyms: restore, strengthen, energize, invigorate, reduce pain or discomfort, ease, relieve. All these things comes under antonyms. Example: Anbu was debilitated by illness for more than a week. Inadvertent, doing unknowingly, so without any intention, unknowingly it happened, by mistake it happens, right? That is what inadvertent. Unintentional synonyms: unintended, accidental, unthinkingly, thoughtlessly, mistakenly, unknowingly. All these words comes for inadvertent. Antonyms: deliberate, intentional, knowingly. We gave 500 more to our housemaid inadvertently in her salary. Obviate, prevent, avoid, preclude, remove, get rid of, avert. All these are synonyms. Antonyms: involve, require, need, postulate, validate. So all these are antonyms. Example: the new medical treatment obviates the need for surgery. That's the end of the today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you very much.